Hello, everybody. My name is Juliana Oliveira, and today I'll be presenting one of the works that we have been conducting in our lab, which the name is Teaching Procedures in Computer-Assisted Foreign Language Vocabulary Instruction. So the goal of the present study was to compare the effects of two presentation formats when teaching foreign language vocabulary through computer-assisted instruction. So we had the high-density constructed response condition, in which required a typed response in each trial, and we had a paired test condition, in which students viewed the information passively, and typed responses were only required in test trials. So we had 10 participants that participated in our study, and we had 5 Arabic words that were assigned to each condition. And the assignment of these words to conditions was counterbalanced across participants. We had a learning phase that was divided in 4 training subphases and 4 label tests. So in each trial of the high density constructed response condition, the participant was shown a picture and asked to type the Arabic word. For words in a pair test condition, the participants were simply shown a word paired with a picture, and they did not need to respond, except to advance to the next trial. We also conducted a pre and post test in which there were tech trials and translation trials, where the participants were either presented with an Arabic word and asked to give its equivalent in English, or vice versa. So these graphs here in figure 1 show individual performance on the tech test during the learning phase. And we use this data to look at the progress of learning. Filled circles show the high density constructed response condition, and open circles show the pair test condition. So as you can see here, there were 5 participants that had very similar acquisition curves in both conditions. We had 3 participants that seemed to learn faster in the HD or C condition, and 2 participants seemed to learn faster in the pair test condition. So on the average, there was no differences between conditions. When we look at the post-test in figure 2, there were no differences between conditions in any of the 3 types of trials. And we also conduct a retention test, as you can see here in figure 3. And we also found no differences between the 2 conditions. So overall, we found no advantage of the HDRC instruction relative to a pair test instruction when teaching foreign language vocabulary. Pair test learning is less time consuming than typing a response in each trial. So practically speaking, the results suggest that the pair test procedure may be a feasible way to conduct vocabulary instruction if time is an important variable. Thank you very much.